India, the world's largest democracy, is in the midst of general election 2024. The elections are taking place in 7 phases. While 2 phases have been successfully concluded, the next 5 phases are yet to happen. वैसे तो इलेक्शंस हमेशा ही इम्पोर्टेंट और इंटरेस्टिंग होते हैं, लेकिन इस बार के लोकसभा इलेक्शंस अपने आप में काफी दिलचस्प है। जहां एक तरफ मोदी लेड बीजेपी का 400 पार का दावा है, वहीं पूरा ऑपोजिशन इंडिया अलायंस के रूप में फिलहाल एक साथ खड़ा है। खैर, who will win this election will be clear on 4th of June. अगर इलेक्शंस और पॉलिटिकल नैरेटिव की बात की जाए तो इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स इस इलेक्शन में काफी सारे एस्पेक्ट्स को टच कर चुकी है। The narrative has evolved from development to deepfake AI controversies. But amidst this political fervor, one thing which stands out is India's emerging startup economy. Yes, पीएम मोदी के अनुसार 2014 से 2024 तक मोदी सरकार के अंडर इंडियन स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम इमेंसली ग्रो किया है। Startup India initiative was launched in 2016 and ever since the growth trajectory has been nothing short of extraordinary. मोदी सरकार के स्टार्टअप इकोनॉमी को लेकर काफी बड़े-बड़े दावे भी हैं। पर क्या सच में इंडियन स्टार्टअप इकोनॉमी इतनी बड़ी हो चुकी है? Or is Modi lying about the growth of Indian startup economy? Let's find out in this fact check video by Tice. In this video, we will analyze how the Indian startup ecosystem has grown. So let's find out how many startups are there in India and how they are performing. Let us also tell you that there is not one sector, but Indian startups are working and operating in 56 diverse sectors. These include 30% in IT services, 9% in healthcare and life sciences, 7% in education. There are also significant contributions from the agriculture and food and beverages sector. From 2015 to 2022, India has marked a 15x surge in total funding, a 9x increase in investor participation, and a 7x increase in the number of incubators. Indian startup ecosystem को शेप करने में यूनिकॉर्न स्टार्टअप्स की भी एक बड़ी भूमिका रही है। आपको बता दें कि जिन स्टार्टअप्स की वैल्यूएशन $1 बिलियन से ज्यादा होती है, उन्हें यूनिकॉर्न कहा जाता है। And when it comes to India, unicorns are not just pioneers in developing groundbreaking solutions and technologies, but they're also known for substantial job creation. The growth trajectory of unicorns has been particularly remarkable since financial year 2017 to 2018. As of October 3rd, 2023, India proudly hosts 111 unicorns. और इन सभी यूनिकॉर्न्स की कुल वैल्यू $3.49.67 बिलियन है। Among these 45 unicorns valued at $102.30 billion were born in 2021, followed by 22 unicorns which were valued at $29.20 billion in 2022. 2023 witnessed the emergence of Zepto as the sole unicorn of the year. Now, if we look at the jobs created by all these startups in India, we will realize that the claims made by Modi government about the Indian startup ecosystem really hold great value. So far, Indian startups have created over 1 million jobs across various sectors. This surge not only addresses the unemployment, but also underscores the role of startups as drivers of social mobility and economic empowerment. जहां सरकार स्टार्टअप इकोनॉमी की ग्रोथ को लेकर बढ़ चढ़कर दावे करती है, वहीं अगर स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम के लिए सपोर्ट की बात की जाए तो 2016 से 2024 तक इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने स्टार्टअप्स के लिए कई बड़े-बड़े कदम भी उठाए हैं। मोदी गवर्नमेंट स्टार्टेड दिस जर्नी बैक इन 2016 विद द लॉन्च ऑफ स्टार्टअप इंडिया इनिशिएटिव. So far, the Modi government has launched more than 40 schemes to support Indian startups on different levels. Interestingly, these government initiatives have been quite instrumental in shaping the economy. Among these initiatives is IDEX, an innovative scheme by the Department of Defense Production, Ministry of Defense. IDEX aims to stimulate innovation, design and development. It also provides a crucial support to startups and innovators for prototype development. Now, these initiatives has played a crucial role in supporting young minds from all across the country to become a confident entrepreneur. Well, we have talked much about government and their initiatives, but while government initiatives provide a solid foundation, the synergy between the public and private sector is equally essential for the sustained growth of India's startup ecosystem. Private stakeholders like corporate giants and venture capital firms play a crucial role in providing funding, mentorship, networking opportunities to the startups. they accelerate their growth trajectory. Collaboration with over 250 corporate partners has not only facilitated access to resources, but it has also catalyzed the innovation through corporate challenges and partnerships. With investments reaching $38.5 billion in 2021, the confidence of private investors in India's startup landscape remains unwavering. Now, looking ahead amidst the backdrop of elections, the claims by the Modi government seem to ring true as India's startup ecosystem continues to thrive. Now, how much Indian startup economy has grown to influence the election narrative will be unfolded on 4th of June with the results of election 2024. Till then, stay connected with TIES for more latest updates about the Indian startup ecosystem.